Welcome to this week's crypto news from CryptoTwits, brought to you by Galaxy Digital. Oil. You know what? Let's just talk about crypto for a minute. Something really big did happen last week. Kraken became the first crypto entity to get a Federal Reserve master account. Now, there are some limits. It's not a full account. It's what's known as a skinny account. So there's no interest on reserves, no access to the Fed's discount window. It's a one-year pilot, but still, it is a huge deal for the crypto space. But not everybody is happy. The Bank Policy Institute, the Community Bankers of America, and the American Bankers Association all sent very short press releases saying they're not liking this at all. They're very upset. Speaking of more TradFi into the crypto space, Intercontinental Exchange, ICE. They own the New York Stock Exchange. They're having a little partnership with OKX, valued it at $25 billion. They paid $200 million for a board seat, futures, tokenized equities. They're going to collaborate on clearing, custody, risk management, the full shebang. And speaking of bank stuff, President Trump met privately with Brian Armstrong before publicly backing Coinbase's position in the bank lobby fight over stalled crypto legislation. Banks are still fighting the whole yield on stablecoins. Really, the weird part is, I don't know if you're aware of this, but apparently, insert sarcasm, I didn't know banks could vote on legislation. Ooh, more bank stuff. Yeah, when they get their hands on stuff, it's hard not to talk about them. Morgan Stanley named Bank of New York Mellon. That's a very big bank. Like 45 trillion in assets, big bank. But BNY Mellon, they're now officially providing custody infrastructure for Morgan Stanley's Bitcoin products. Oh, and some Galaxy Digital news. Galaxy Digital announced that they are delisting from the Toronto Stock Exchange starting March 19th. It's going to keep trading on the NASDAQ under GLXY. And the market responded very positive to that news. Partly the delisting, partly Bitcoin bouncing. And I had to do a double take because I had totally forgotten that Galaxy did their IPO back in 2018. So it's safe to say they have been through, well, the same kind of nightmarish conditions that the rest of us have, if you've been in it that long. And that's your week. Thank you to Galaxy Digital for making this happen. See you next week.